Example, we have created a simple app with a shared module and use that module in Android and iOS apps. Now in this example, we will enhance that code and add some platform specific code in our shared module. So this is our previous example, and in this example, in our common main, we will create another class. Let us say platform class. So whenever we want to write any platform specific code in shared module, we have to use expect keyword. Expect class platform means actual implementation will be in Android main and iOS main for this class. In this class, let us define some variable. Now we have declared a expect class platform, means this class will have an actual implementation in Android main and iOS main, different implementation according to operating system. So let us create Android implementation. In this actual class, we are using Android specific code. This code we cannot write in iOS. This is Android specific code. So our name variable will be initialized as Android and build version of Android. Similarly, we have to write actual platform class for iOS also. Now we are done with actual implementation of platform class in iOS and in Android. You can see we have used platform specific code inside this class. This is iOS specific code, and in our Android we have used Android specific code. So this is our greeting class. In greeting class, when we invoke greeting function, it will return value of the variable name in platform class, and it will return Android space and build version. Whenever it will invoke from iOS, the name variable will have this value. Now we are done with the coding. Now we want to run this program. So our iOS app and Android app will not have any change, as we are invoking just greeting method. Inside greeting method, we have used some platform specific code. So we will build this program. So on Android it works successfully. So this is the output on Android and Android 28. Now we will run it on iOS. We will not change anything in this project. We have created object of greeting and we are invoking greeting function. Okay, great. So on iOS we will having output iOS 13.1, and in Android we are having Android 28. So it is clear that we can have platform specific implementation to the method. Same method is invoked from shared module on both the operating systems, and on both the operating system we are getting different output. This is how we can use native code inside shared module.